Here's what you'll need for everyone's favourite key lime pie, but this time the individual key lime pies, so you'll need some cupcake cases. If you haven't got them, just use a cupcake pan. Then you're going to need some limes. I don't know if these are from the Florida Keys or not, but any limes will do. Packet of Crumbly biscuits, some butter, some honey, eggs, double cream, condensed milk, and you're good to go. First thing we're going to do, put your biscuits into a blender and get them bashed up. When they look like crumbs, then go in with your butter and a couple of tablespoons of honey and give them a good mix. With that all mixed, and so that it resembles wet sand, try not to drop everything like me, then it's time to put that away and get on with the finicky business of filling your cupcakes. Once you've filled your cupcakes, something like that, then they're going in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 10-15 minutes, just to firm them up a bit. With your cases in the oven, it's time to get on with your filling. So the first thing we're going to do is get the zest from the limes. With your zest done, it's time to get yourself 4 egg yolks. And I save the white bits because they make a lovely omelette. Into your egg yolks with the juice of your limes and some of your lime zest. Don't use it all though, you want to save some for decoration. Last but not least, condensed milk, and then give them a good thorough mixing. When your bases have done in the oven, time to get them out. Then just going to put your concoction in the middle, and these are going back in the oven for another 10-15 minutes until this is set. When they've had 15 minutes in the oven, take them out. Then we're going to let them cool down, and they're going in the fridge for at least 4 hours, and preferably overnight. When your cakes have been in the fridge overnight, it's time to do your topping. So get your double cream whipped up. With your cream nicely whipped, it's time to put it into a piping bag. If you haven't got a piping bag, cut the corner off a plastic bag, squeeze it that way. Or if you can't be bothered, just put it on with a knife or whatever you like. Then all that's left to do, get some cream onto your cakes. Then finish them off with some of your lime zest that you did in the beginning. And then try and eat one before your family sees them, because once they do, they'll all be gone.